Hey everyone! Today we're coloring a super fun minion who's all ready for Christmas with his festive hat. We'll be using art markers to make him full of holiday spirit. Look at how awesome our Christmas minion turned out. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Don't forget to like and subscribe.